Hi, here's how you make an easy chicken soup. I got a request from a subscriber that had not made chicken soup, and so I promised that I would show how easy and simple it is to make it. So you're going to begin, in my instance, you can use chicken thighs that actually have the bone in, or chicken thighs that are fillets and they don't have any bones in them. And I'm going to put those in a pot of 2 quarts of water and a couple of cloves of garlic, and let that begin to boil. I'm going to take baby carrots, about 1 cup, and then about 2 stalks of a medium-sized celery, and cut about 2/3 of a cup of chopped celery. You don't want to make them too small. They'll disappear in the soup. So just a nice size. I'm using 2 medium-sized potatoes, as well as 1/2 of a medium-sized cabbage, 1 whole onion, and I'm going to slice that onion for this soup as well. After the chicken has cooked down in the broth, I'm going to basically just sort of slice that into smaller pieces and then return it back to the soup. I'm then going to add the carrots and celery. They take the longest. I will then add onions and the cabbage. The cabbage can actually be added after the potatoes. I usually put them in around the same time. It takes about the same amount of time to cook. And so you're going to let this simmer another 40 minutes or so. And once it's done, I add fresh herbs to the soup just before I'm serving it. And it is, it's very simple. It takes about an hour, like I said, hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes to make, and it's perfect for these cold winter days.